In the annals of history, wars have been won with cunning strategies and sheer force. But one of the most intriguing stories is how the Persians used cats to secure victory over the Egyptians, a tactic that played on the deep cultural reverence the Egyptians held for these sacred animals. Egyptians revered many animals, but none more so than the cat. Cats were considered sacred, associated with the goddess Bastet, who symbolized home, fertility, and protection. Killing a cat, even accidentally, was a crime punishable by death. Cambyses II, aware of the Egyptians' reverence for cats, devised a bold and unconventional plan for the Battle of Pelusium. He knew that to conquer Egypt, he needed to do more than just outfight the Egyptian army. He had to outthink them. As the Persian army approached Pelusium, they carried with them a surprising array of animals, including cats. According to historical accounts and legends, Cambyses ordered his soldiers to paint images of Bastet on their shields, and even place cats in front of their ranks as they advanced towards the Egyptian defenses. The sight of their sacred animals at the forefront of the enemy lines had a profound psychological impact on the Egyptian soldiers. Fearing that any harm to the cats would incur the wrath of their gods and result in severe punishment, the Egyptian soldiers hesitated and were thrown into disarray. This ingenious use of cultural reverence as a psychological weapon allowed the Persians to advance with little resistance. The Egyptian forces, paralyzed by their religious scruples, were unable to mount an effective defense, leading to a decisive Persian victory. The Battle of Pelusium marked the beginning of Persian dominance over Egypt, with Cambyses II successfully capturing the Egyptian capital of Memphis shortly after. This victory established the Persian Empire's control over Egypt, which lasted until the arrival of Alexander the Great. The clever use of cats in the Battle of Pelusium stands out as a unique example of psychological warfare. It demonstrates how understanding and exploiting an enemy's cultural and religious beliefs can be just as powerful as traditional military tactics. This historical episode reminds us of the importance of cultural intelligence in conflict. Knowing an adversary's values and beliefs can provide strategic advantages that go beyond mere force. It also underscores the enduring influence of cultural reverence and the power of psychological warfare. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of history's most fascinating battles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing stories from the past.